Hey there, I'm even Steven. I believe everyone should only pay for what they ate. You know, fairness. That's why I built the Even Steven app where splitting a bill isn't awkward, it's accurate. When you launch the app for the very first time, we'll pop open default settings. Here, where you tell us your sales tax, liquor tax, tip percentage, and whether you like to tip before or after tax. And because fair also means stylish, I'm going dark mode. Once everything looks good, hit save. Now pick your vibe, even split, divide the bill equally. Old school, simple, even Steven, pay only for what you actually ate. Let's go with even Steven. Step 1, add each person and their items, adjusting quantity and tax types as needed. Step 2, add shared items and tap who shared each. Step 3, optional, group diners like couples into one pair. Step 4, review items and make sure the total matches your bill. Step 5, see exact amounts owed and send detailed or simple breakdowns via text or PDF. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal.